Welcome. We are going to be doing shoulder stands, and I'm going to make sure to show you how to not put pressure on your neck. We're going to be using the wall and not using the wall. So enjoy, and I'll give you minimal instructions. If you have any questions, always reach out. Okay, so we are going to put our feet up against the wall first, and then we'll move forward from there. So get your buttocks as close to the wall as you can originally. And just relax. Okay, are you ready to engage? Now remember, we are not putting weight on the neck, we are putting weight on the shoulder and engaging the rest of the body. This is my foster child who has no name. We're waiting to find her a home, but it's the thing about pets that I have to tell you, and I've owned kitties in the past, and I had my son's dog for 3 years, and they love to be on the yoga mat. Am I right? They do. Okay, here we go. Nice inhale, and then exhale, just lift the buttocks up, up, up. Make sure the weight is off of the neck and only on the shoulders. Engage the buttocks, engage the thighs and the hamstrings, and push your feet into the wall. Hello, nameless kitty. And breathe. Slow moving. Okay, first thing we're going to do is take the right leg up. Flex the foot, engage. Push your head into the floor and make sure it's the shoulders that is bearing the weight. We're going to bring the knee down on the exhale. And back up. Both legs go to the wall. Check in. The weight is definitely on the shoulders, not the neck. You should still be able to move the neck. Other side. Left leg up. Flexing the feet, engaging the thighs, buttocks, and glutes. Yeah, same thing. Bring the knee in on the exhale. Inhale. And straighten. Back against the wall. Adjust. Be very careful of your neck. Do it again using the wall. This time we'll go with the left leg first. Other side. In. And against the wall, both feet adjust. If you need to come down at any time, do that, because this is a lot of weight on the shoulders if you're not used to it. And then we're going to push away from the wall. Now push your head into the floor. Bringing the right leg down, the next exhalation. Adjust and bend. Back up. Left leg down. And both. Exhaling, both legs back up. And slowly bring vertebrae by vertebrae and then just go into a butterfly against this wall. One last time we're going to use the wall to go up, so prepare yourself. Arms are down by your side, and as you exhale, you're going to roll up the spine. And down. Butterfly again. And then I want you to go ahead. We need to do a counterbalance pose, so go ahead and move away from the wall. And we're going to do fish pose. Keep your feet right here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, the cracking. And when you're ready, go ahead and move to the side, because this is a lot of work. Open up that chest. And come up slowly, however you'd like. This is a good way, though, is to have your foot in front, bring your hands together, which rolls you right back into Lotus pose. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.